Hi, it's Mike here. Okay, so I have had the pleasure of experiencing the most awesome treatment from Reg and Sue, and words can't say enough about the experience. It was I was blown away. Actually, I have paid for many massages and other treatments in the past, and even Balinese massage, which was two girls working on me at the same time. And the idea was I couldn't figure out where the hands were, so your brain just switches off because they're synchronized. And I have to say, whatever Reg and Sue did, I felt like there was 6 hands working on me at the same time, and I've never experienced that before in my life. And my brain was trying to figure it out at one stage, and I was like, who's doing that? How are they doing that? It's a mystery. But even the ambience as soon as I walk in the door, I would say it's definitely Sue's influence there, the feminine touch. They pay attention to the sights and the sounds and the smells. Everything is just so nice and so relaxing, so pleasant. And then they pay attention to, Sue actually makes some notes as to what is going on with your body just now. I'm very fortunate I had no ailments, so I didn't think I was going to experience very much, in all honesty. And just through the various questions and making some notes, Reg basically sussed me out without even touching me, just from sitting at a distance, looking, checking out the body structure, how I was sitting, how I was answering, etc., and knew exactly where he was going to start and what he was going to do next. And so yeah, anyway, I said words couldn't say enough. I've said enough. So I would just say, yeah, thank you both, Reg and Sue, for the experience. And if anybody else is considering this, I would highly recommend it. Is whatever your ailments are, I'm sure they have the wealth of experience to know exactly what tools to tap into their amazing resources, and make you feel $1 million and floating on air when you come out. Okay.